Hi there. Today I'm going to make a spread in my traveler's notebook using the September Good Life bundle from Pixel Scrapper. I'll start here by picking two papers for my background. It was a hard choice because there are lots of fun papers to choose from. And then I also picked out a few elements that I liked the look of that I will use as my main elements for this spread. I have my photo there of Jordan and Magnus that I will use, and I'm just layering it with a piece of black and white paper, and then I'm going to add some twine to that tag, and then I will layer in some more papers. These elements I printed out at home and cut by hand using a pair of scissors. And I like how these printed elements are really flat. I print them on just regular copy paper so they stay nice and flat in my notebook. Now I am doing a little stamping on that tab that I printed out. I am not a great stamper. You can see there that I didn't get a great stamp the first time, but I kind of like the authentic stamped look, so I don't worry too much if it doesn't come out super smooth. Now I'm just attaching my cluster there with a stapler, and I will stick the rest of the things down with double-sided tape. And that is pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching.